Maple forests are special places. Maple is one of the only agriculture crops harvested from a native ecosystem. Maple forests are natural environments, not planted or tilled by humans. As producers, we celebrate them all year long, not just during maple season. Our maple groves are not just stands of maple trees, but a complex system of flora and fauna that together provide a variety of goods and services for us. A complex ecosystem is a healthy ecosystem, and a forest is more than the trees we see. Trees grow and sequester carbon dioxide as they produce the oxygen that we breathe. They also provide shelter for birds and other animals who make their homes, raise their young, and flourish in resilient woods. The soil beneath our trees is rich with insect life, invertebrates that decompose leaf litter and other organic material, seeds waiting for their chance at the sunlight to germinate, and the nutrients to supply their food. Soil also filters our water, protecting healthy drinking supplies to many communities. Maple forests also give us opportunities for recreation, allowing us to visit a place that can offer a simpler experience in the midst of its complexity. The next time you visit Maple Woods, look around. There is life everywhere, and it is a bonus that one of life's sweetest treats originates here. Maple producers keep our maple forests healthy and productive, so the entire ecosystem and all that depends on it continues to grow and thrive.